Factory stop number 3.
He looks like he can't make the show. And in the 27, it's Austin Mackey out of Elma, Arkansas. Good group, side by side. Green flag will wave. We get back to the way 4 wide down the front stretch.
No start, guys. No start. No start. That was not a good start. Front row, you're supposed to give a good even start.
Like I said, Dr. Phil, strict.
Number 7, this is per flagman. Number 7, this is per flagman. Good starts, please.
He's been battling that for a while.
Looks like we have a late entry onto the speedway. I believe that's Seth Reard in the 20.
He had a really good job.
Alright, guys, we're going to try this again. Lights are out. We're going green this time. Front row. Good even start, please.
Like they got a little bit less horsepower now.
All right, complete restart. Lights are out. Dr. Phil on the flag stand. And green flag. Both cars on the outside, float a little high. Kirby stays on the bottom. Car almost going around turn 3 and 4 at the 27. Arnold hard in turn 4. Conley and Ford watching the battle up front as they go side by side on a turn number 4. Through the top shift. Nolan tries hard here, turn 3. Car's going to push high. Billy Arnold in third. Conley in 4th.
Second place, pick your spot, top or bottom.
Well, we get into it again.
16 and 924. Be nice to one another, please. Play nicely. You don't want to get in trouble. Play nicely.
I got it.
Alright guys, lights are up. We're going green this time. Leader, you set the pace for the race. In turn 4.
We'll get back underway.
Everyone get doubled up, please.
Got one lap here. One lap shootout to settle this one. Your leader, the 7K of Kirby. Solon's second on the inside.
Huh? Fighting kids.
Says I don't know if it's worth 30 bucks.
And green flag.